Jason Jaden, this is how I ride my skateboard. What?
You couldn't Jaden want to come over my house.
Tell them to come over your house?
Yeah.
Okay.
Because
They have to come on the airplane, right?
yeah.
Well, they should come visit, right?
The car will go see us.
Yeah, tell them to get in their car and come see us.
What did I even get? She went back to work.
What?
Mommy?
Yeah?
Mommy? Tree?
Jason Jaden.
Mommy.
Yeah.
Jane didn't say when at work.
Joel's at work?
Yeah.
Yeah. What does he do?
He's still out of jail.
Oh, he's in jail?
No. He has to go on the airplane and see us go to jail at church.
Oh.
She has to go to jail at church.
Does Jaden's dad carve bears?
You call Jane's daddy if he wants to come over our house.
Sure. That's Uncle Joel, right?
You talk to Brandy and Jason Jaden. You talk to Jaden and Jane Jaden.
Jason Jaden?
You talk to Jaden and Jane Jay.
Yeah.
You talk to them on the. You talk Jane's daddy come over our house and Brandy comes over our house and Jane comes.
What about Jackson?
And Jane comes over our house and Brandy comes over our house and Jane comes over our house.
Okay. Say bye-bye. Say bye-bye, Jason Jaden.
I don't want to say bye because you have to cuddle on your phone.
Oh, okay. Call him on the phone? Alright. Hey, last picking.